Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we discuss about the type of a business activity partnership. So partnership refers to a type of business arrangements where two or more individuals or entities come together to joint own and manage a business venture. Partnerships are usually formed with the intention of sharing profit, loss, and liabilities in a proportion agreed upon by partner. So in simple word, we see that partnership basically a type of business activity where two and maximum people, 20 people are generally combine their resources jointly in a particular objective purpose for starting our business and earning profit. And basically they in partnership their intention is that they have to divide share their profit loss liabilities and whatever their agreed percentage according that they have to get it. There are different type of partnership including general partnership limited partnership and a limited liability partnership. In a general partnership all partners have unlimited liability. As you remember that we already discussed the what is unlimited liability. In case of loss it is a responsibility personal responsibility of a partner that they have to pay back their bank loan any debt by selling their assets and on property. It means that their liability is unlimited, their responsibility, and are jointly responsible for the debt and obligation for the business. In limited partnership, there are both general partner who have unlimited liability and limited partner who have limited liability. Limited liability partnership offer limited protection for all partners. It means that in limited partnership, partners are not responsible for paying the any debt for selling their assets. Partnership can be popular business model for small businesses as they allow shared resources, enterprise, and risk. However, partnership require clear communication, trust, and a shared vision to be successful. It is important to have a partnership agreement in place that outline the right responsibilities and obligations of each partner as well as the process for resolving disputes and dissolving the partnership if necessary. And now we discuss the advantages as a partner. What type of advantages a partnership have it for the partners? As we know that each partner is specialized in different area of management. So this is basic big advantage as compared to the sole trader. In sole trader, one person army he has basically control all his businesses by his own self. He has less capital, he has less management skill. So that is the disadvantage of sole trader, but that is the advantage of a partnership that every partner have a different skills according that they have to manage their businesses properly and there are less chances of losses. Shared decision making, so definitely if there are 10 partners, so 10 partner can combine it together and they have to discuss their ideas and how they have to come up the problem and cover to maximum profit. Each partner can inject maximum more capital in partnership. In sole trader, the only one person inject capital. It means that his liability, his capital is very less as compared to partnership. So in partnership, every partner inject the capital portion of their percentage. Businesses losses shared between the partner. This is also an advantage for a partner that there is all losses not bear by one person. Now the profit losses are shared between the partner and greater privacy and few legal formalities than cooperative organizations. So now if you have to want to start up a business, there is no need, there is less requirement for registration process, getting your name and for starting up the business as compared to limited companies that we'll discuss in future. Now we discuss about the disadvantages. Unlimited liability we already discussed in the type of partnership. Profit are shared. Definitely in sole trader only one person take all the profit, but he also bear the full loss. But in partnership, If there's an advantage that okay, losses are shared among the partner, but the disadvantages also profit can be shared. And no continuity and the partnership will have to be reformed in the event of death of one partner or when one partner withdraw his capital share capital from the business. In that scenario, partnership agreement dissolve, but partnership working continue. If we have to enter a new partner, we discuss in a future as well. Next slide. So partnership agreement change, and there is also disagreement about uh, coming on one particular decision. Disagreement of concerns as well, also disadvantage. Our partners are bound by the decision of any one of them. Not possible to raise capital for selling of share, from selling of share. Now, if the business want to expand their operation, now there are maximum 20 partners. So now it is impossible that you have to raise more capital by selling shares to general public. Selling share to general public is just go for the limited company. In that scenario, partnership will convert it into public limited company or private limited company. A sole trader taking one partner will lose independence of decision making. Now, this is also big drawback in partnership. That is advantage for the sole trader. In sole trader, only one person make the all his decision by his own self, quick. But in partnership, decision will happening at that time when all partner are available and they are agree upon one particular thing. So what now we talk about the partnership agreement. In partnership agreement, a written agreement among the partners, the nature of a business and the date of commencement. What is the basic nature of business? What is the business doing in future and currently? And when business is started. That amount of capital put into business by each partner, how much capital invested by each partner in the business. This is also mentioned in partnership agreement, and according that percentage is also mentioned. The method by which profit or loss to be shared, and voting right of the partner. The role of each partner is also mentioned in partnership agreement. The duration of partnership and the method of dissolving the partnership are also part of partnership agreement. Arbitration procedure if partners cannot reach the agreement. Whatever policies company has partnership has to adopt if partners are not agree to make a particular decision. If a partner is working in a company as a worker, then he entitled to salary or not. This is also very important part for partnership agreement. That if a partner is working in a company as a worker, then he entitled in salary. Other partner just come sit in office and take a tea and gup shop. Then they just take the profit. But if one partner work in a company as a worker, then it is his right to take the salary as well. So anyway, that is also mentioned in the partnership agreement. So here we have to finish the topic of partnership. A brief, not briefly but not detail, a summary about the partnership. So for your revision purposes and for quickly. So basically, you have to understand the concept. See you next time, next video. Take care. I hope so you understand it.